Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Online Marketing Secrets from Web Media. And today I want to talk about the power of video marketing. Now, if I open up my blog here, this is the blog for my main site. And let's just take the latest blog post right here, how to tell Google your site is targeted at users outside the UK. So that's the title of the blog post. I'm going to copy that, and as you can see, what I've got is an embedded video on my blog of my website pulled in from Google. So just a bit of code to embed the video in my site. What's interesting though is if I go over to a separate browser that's got a clean cache on it, and I put the title of the video into Google and press search, what I get as the first result is my video, but not embedded on my own website, but actually where it is originally uploaded to YouTube. The second one down, as you can see, is actually the blog post on my own website, but the first entry is on YouTube. So that's showing me that Google is prioritizing the location of this piece of content on YouTube over the location on my blog. So what does that mean? Well, it means that there's an opportunity here for you to create very specific video-based content that is targeted at your audience. And you can see this is quite a long title. It's what's called a long tail title. And it's very specific about what it's going to give the consumer. And I think in these days of Google Hummingbird and semantic search, the more specific you can be about delivering content for an exact need, the more successful you're likely to be. So let's just go down a little further and let's pick another one. Let's pick this one. How to use Facebook for your primary target SEO keyword. Again, I'll copy the title. I'll go over to the clean cached version of my Google Chrome browser, and this time I'm not in first place for my video. I'm actually in second place, but there it is. And it's still very noticeable because it comes with a thumbnail from the video, and that's going to get you click through and get you noticed much better than some of these other entries which have no thumbnail. So how can you apply this in your own business? Well, what you need to do is you need to start thinking about what are the things that people who are looking for my type of business, what are their problems? How can I help them solve their problems? And then you want to give that problem a title, like this one, geotagging your content for local search SEO. This is for people who have a local company, a local business that serves a local market, and they want to improve their standing on search engines for local search results. And I'm proposing here that geotagging your content is going to help that process. And your customers will have their own problems. What you have to do is create a video that provides part or whole of the solution to that, upload it onto YouTube, and then do what I do, which is go to a clean version of your Google Chrome browser, and then go to google.co.uk and put in the title that you gave to your video on YouTube, and see whether your video comes up in the first three places of the search results with a little video thumbnail like this one. I think it's a pretty powerful tool. I'm going to be certainly investigating and experimenting with it more over the coming weeks and months. For me, it's all about the words that are in the title here. This title is absolutely critical. It needs to be what your prospects are searching for on Google. And if you can produce a video-based result like this, then you're halfway to getting a new relationship with a new customer. Okay, that's it for video marketing this week. I hope that's useful. I will see you next time for another online marketing secret. Bye-bye.